Hi, today we have Mercedes back again. Lately I realized this car breaks down a lot. I wonder why. So the problem of today is here. So when you start to drive your car, it has automatic lock here. So this pin should go down when you go something about 10 kilometers or something. If you go that fast, this one goes down like this and the door is locked. The problem is when you need to step out of your vehicle, this pin should go up when you pull this lever here, but it stays there without any movement. So what happens after? I came to my location. I need to close the car. So it's closed, but this door, it's not working properly. So to close it for real, I need to open it again so the pin comes up and then close it back. And now it's closed. So with other words, the door lock actuator is gone bad and we're going to replace it today. To make the job easier, I'm going to take out temporary this panel here so I can put the window on the right height with those buttons here. Right there, you unscrew this. Then you have those clicks here and there. Just so. Now I can get my window at the right height, so I will unscrew those bolts in there. So to release this window, we need to unscrew those two bolts, and after that we need to fixate this window somewhere up so it's not falling back down. And if you see here some Loctite on it, don't forget to use it back when you're finished. So this what I have here. I was able to secure this with those pieces of paper towel here and there. I'm hoping this will be enough, which I will see in the moment. So yes, it's holding. So now I will start drilling out those rivets there. This one here, that one there, and that one there, and so on. And then we will try to remove this cover. Now right here you have a hole to unscrew one bolt from this handle, otherwise you will not be able to remove it. And don't forget those two bolts here too. One important step I forgot. Also don't forget to disconnect this box there. So I haven't recorded accidentally last piece here. Finally what I did, I just removed this cable from that box on the cover, and I just released this one like so here, and the cover just came off. Now it's time to take out this door lock actuator. Now you need to release one more screw there. It's right in there. If you go sideways like this, you can see it. It's difficult to film from this angle, but just something like that. On this side here, just pull it and it comes loose. I found here one more hidden screw under this plastic cover seal. Don't forget this one also. And voila. So I am going to plug out this connector here, because this cable I'm going to keep. There we go. I have here a model which was purchased from eBay. It's not new, it's second-handed, but this one is original. And this is the one I just removed. So simply I'm going to put this one back in the same place, and after that we'll test this out. There you have it. If it doesn't go, don't force it, take it out and then try again. This small screw must be also taken out from here, and you put this, and you have to put this on the new lock. working. Now the same way through this hole we go sideways like this, and we need to put this lock back in its place. Keep your pressure on it, otherwise it will just pop out back where it was. Perfect. Now I need to secure the window back to its place. So to do this you need to release your window downwards into those securing points. So after some time and pain, I was able to put it back on its place. Now you need actually two hands to do this. This is why I couldn't film it right, but all you need to do is just let this window come down to those places. We put the bolt into its hole and start tightening back like so. And don't forget Loctite. I already used it, but don't forget it also. Now I'm gonna give it a test. It's okay. Perfect. So now I need to finish this work here. First of all, you need to fix your window, and only then you need to start putting this cover back, because when you put it once back, you can't just undo it, you will have to drill it back again. So after you fixed your window, only then you need to start to rivet it back with this tool, and you need this tool. If you don't have one, don't start without buying this. I will put the link in the description below. So now we need to put back this control module on its place. It should just click in like so. Now the last step, we need to put this cover back to its place. Yes, almost forgot, put those seals back. Now we're going to test it. So when I like to step out of the car, it didn't go up before. Are you feeling this? This one here? It didn't go up, so now it works just fine.